Now you can go into jobs and manage these statuses. Now, these are just default statuses that we have configured. You can change these statuses into your preferences. And where you do this is in the backend of the system, under the feeds, you have two different statuses. If you click on job status, these are those statuses. You can rearrange the order as well you prefer. Same like this for quote statuses as well. You can create and rearrange. And once you've done that, you can simply say, I'm going to order that. I'm going to go to PO. You can configure all your suppliers. So let's just say this is your supplier. This is for 6 rollers. ETA time frame, I would like it by this time. Add, so it creates the PO, and then you can go into that PO, and these are your order forms in a PDF or an Excel. You can simply click and see that as well. Like over here, you can see you have the prices. So again, if you untick in that order sheet, this will not show up in the pricing, and you just simply attach. If you want to attach both, you can attach that and say email and say, hey, John, send these items. Because I think that supplier does not have an email address configured, it's giving you that error. So where you would create the supplier is you go to suppliers and click on new supplier and fill up all this information, like how you add a customer.